Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous episode, we had drove 5 hours from Hurghada, and now, we are finally here in Luxor, Egypt. But not just any part of Luxor. We headed straight to the Luxor West Bank, where ancient wonders meet peaceful vibes. After a long but absolutely stunning 5-hour drive, we have finally made it. Welcome to Luxor West Bank. This side of Luxor is known for its peaceful atmosphere, ancient wonders, and incredible hospitality. And tonight, we are checking into Spring Hotel Luxor, an accommodation gem that offers affordable luxury at just $36 a night. After checking in, we were served with our welcome drink at the open rooftop terrace of the hotel. Fresh lime juice, an open rooftop, and this mesmerizing view of the Nile River, with the ancient Luxor temple on the far side. This is absolutely unreal. Since we were hungry after a long 5 hours road trip drive from Hurghada, we decided to order pizza, from the hotel's cafe, for our early dinner. This is exactly what we needed. Indulging in hot cheesy pizza, while enjoying the most insane view in Luxor. And this is our room. Super cozy, spacious, and we even have our own outdoor balcony, overlooking the Nile. Not bad for $36, don't you think so? Our very own private balcony with a partial view of the Nile. This is beyond what we expected for the price. Comfortable, clean, and peaceful. Perfect for recharging before tomorrow's big adventure.
get Arabian karak chai.
Good morning from Luxor. Waking up to this view with a complimentary fresh Egyptian breakfast is something else. Just look at this fresh healthy spread, eggs, cheese, bread, and more. Can you imagine starting your day with this view and this food, all included in the stay? Absolutely loving this experience.
Telur dadah. Apa rasa dia?
And this is just the beginning. In our next adventure, we're taking you to a sunrise hot air balloon ride over Luxor, exploring the legendary Luxor Temple, the Valley of the Kings, and the majestic Hatshepsut Temple. You don't want to miss it. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep chasing those once-in-a-lifetime moments. See you in the next video.